Ladies and gentlemen, meet the legend, the Suzuki Hayabusa. A name that commands respect, a machine that redefines speed, and a motorcycle that's more than just a bike, it's an experience. Today, we're diving deep into what makes the Hayabusa one of the most iconic sport bikes in history. So buckle up, because this is going to be an exhilarating ride. Right off the bat, the Hayabusa's design is a masterpiece of aerodynamics. Every curve, every contour serves a purpose, reducing drag and increasing stability at high speeds. It's sleek, flowing bodywork isn't just for looks, it's inspired by the peregrine falcon, the world's fastest bird. Suzuki engineers have fine-tuned this beast to slice through the wind effortlessly, giving riders the ultimate high-speed stability. Under the hood, the Hayabusa packs a monstrous 1,340 cubic centimeters inline-4 engine, delivering a jaw-dropping 187 horsepower and 150 nanometers of torque. This powerhouse is built for brutal acceleration and effortless top speeds, making it one of the fastest production motorcycles on the planet. The smooth yet aggressive power delivery means you get instant throttle response, whether you're cruising on the highway or pushing the limits on the track. And with a 6-speed gearbox tuned for precision, every shift feels seamless. But speed isn't just about raw power, it's about control. The latest Hayabusa is packed with cutting-edge tech that keeps you in command. Suzuki's Intelligent Ride System (SIRS) offers multiple ride modes, traction control, and a bidirectional quick shifter for smooth gear changes. Need to stop on a dime? The Brembo Stylema brakes combined with ABS ensure incredible stopping power. And with cruise control and launch control, the Hayabusa adapts to both high-speed thrills and relaxed touring. Now, you might think a bike this powerful is all about speed, but Suzuki didn't forget comfort. The ergonomics are designed for both aggressive riding and long-distance touring. The slightly raised handlebars and well-padded seat keep fatigue at bay, while the refined suspension setup ensures a smooth ride even on bumpy roads. So whether you're hitting the twisties or taking a long highway trip, the Hayabusa remains an absolute joy to ride. The Suzuki Hayabusa isn't just a motorcycle, it's a statement. A perfect blend of power, precision, and elegance. Whether you're a speed demon or a touring enthusiast, this bike delivers an experience like no other. So what do you think? Is the Hayabusa your dream machine? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this deep dive, hit that like button, subscribe for more awesome content, and turn on notifications so you never miss a ride with us. Until next time, ride safe and stay legendary. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.